Shark, and we could just like slowly bring them on land. They're just swimming in the fucking ground.
Yeah.
I wonder if there was a point in like when they were building Mop when they forgot to do that, and one of the beta testers was just like, hey guys, so I found this bug. I can bring this huge thing. Dead.
I'm sorry. These things hit hard.
Yeah, they
Hold
do.
on, I got a res.
Oh no!
No! He's small now.
No! Oh.
Oh man.
Man, these guys are really dishing it out.
Yeah.